You're watching Norway Visa and Travel Guide, everything you need to know about Norway in one place. Imagine getting the chance to work in Norway, a country known for its high salaries, work-life balance, beautiful lifestyle, and safe environment for families. In 2025, Norway has updated its work visa rules, and these new changes directly affect all foreign workers planning to move there. In this video, I will explain step by step what the new rules are, who is eligible, what the application process looks like, and the key things you must keep in mind to make sure your visa gets approved without problems. Let's begin with eligibility. In the past, having a valid job offer was always the most important requirement. That remains the same, but the 2025 rules have introduced stricter checks for employers. Now, only genuine registered Norwegian companies can hire foreign workers. So if you receive a job offer, make sure the company is registered with the Norwegian Directorate of Immigration, also known as UDI. This new change is mainly to stop scams and fake job offers that have become common in recent years. Now, which jobs are in demand? Norway still needs healthcare professionals, nurses, IT, experts, engineers, electricians, welders, and skilled construction workers. Under the 2025 rules, priority is being given to industries that are facing skill shortages. So, if you belong to one of these fields, your chances of approval are now even stronger. Documents are another area where a new change has been added. Applicants must now provide proper proof of previous employments, such as tax records or salary slips. Earlier, experience letters were often enough, but now they want official proof. This ensures transparency and guarantees that only genuine skilled workers are accepted. Let's talk about salary. Under the new 2025 rules, the minimum salary requirement has increased. Employers must now offer salaries that meet Norwegian labor law standards. If the salary offered to you is below this threshold, your application will be rejected. This change was introduced to prevent exploitation of foreign workers and ensure equal pay for both locals and migrants. Now let's move step by step through the application process. First, you need a valid job offer. Once you have that, you must submit your application online through the UDI website. After filling the application, you will need to submit all your supporting documents at the embassy or a visa application center. A new update in 2025 requires all applicants to sign a declaration form, confirming that all the information provided is genuine. If false information is discovered later, you could be banned from future applications. Next comes the biometric and interview stage. Biometrics include fingerprints and a photo. Interviews are still part of the process, but now they focus more on your skills and your job role. Officials want to make sure that your skills are genuinely required in the Norwegian labor market. So, prepare carefully for this stage and be honest in your answers. Processing time is another important factor. On average, Norway work visas take between 6 to 8 weeks to process. However, under the 2025 rules, some categories, like healthcare workers, are now eligible for fast-track processing. That means doctors and nurses can get approvals quicker than before. But let's talk about rejection cases. Under the new rules, the most common reasons for rejection include incomplete or fake documents, job offers from unregistered employers, salaries lower than the legal minimum, or skills that are not on Norway's demand list. So always double-check your documents and ensure everything is complete before applying. A major change introduced in 2025 is about family reunification. Now, if you have a long-term job contract and meet the salary requirement, it has become easier to bring your spouse and children with you. They will also receive residence permits, which means you can build your life in Norway together as a family. Renewal of work permits has also been simplified. Earlier, renewal required repeating a lot of paperwork. Now the system is more digital, and renewals can be done online as long as you are still with the same employer. And here's the most exciting part. The path to permanent residency has been made clearer. If you work continuously in Norway for 3 to 5 years on a valid work permit and pay your taxes regularly, you can become eligible for permanent residency. After that, you can even apply for Norwegian citizenship. This means that one work visa can open the door to a completely new future in Europe. So friends, these are the new Norway work visa rules in 2025. And this is everything you must know before applying. To summarize, the system is now stricter, but also fairer. If you are a genuine skilled worker with a valid job offer, proper documents, and an employer who meets the legal requirements, then your chances of success are very high. If your dream is to start a new life in Norway, this is the best time to prepare. Start searching for jobs right now. Make sure your documents are complete. And always rely on the official UDI website for information. And most importantly, avoid fake agents and scams. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and share it, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss more updates about Norway work visas and European immigration. Also, drop a comment below telling me what your dream job in Norway is. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.